Oh, shit. Ryan here, Silly Reviews. I'm going to review this fireworks tent that got put up yesterday. Oh, shit. And as you can see here out in the street, we've been having some serious rainfall, thunderstorms, heavy torrential downpours for about the last 4 hours. And this fireworks tent here, I don't think the guys did a good job. I'm going to give them 2 thumbs down because it's coming up out of the ground. All these stakes in the cement and the blacktop, whatever you call that. Look at this. Look at it. Now I got extra shit to do because my boss told me I have to move these vehicles out of the way. So I guess I'm going to get soaking wet. 2 thumbs down for the guys who put this crap together. What do you think? Do you think they did a good job? I don't think so. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Happy 4th of July. Don't let you-know-who's take that away from you. It is fucking flooding. Whoa, I haven't seen this much rain in a long time. Holy shit.